So we're gonna hit the dyno today. You know, we ain't got nothing else to do, so let's go spend unnecessary money, you know, to stare at numbers on a computer screen and make us feel better about ourselves. What? Oh my god, I'm crazy. Anyway, I've been trying to do this for like a couple of days. It just worked out, you know, to the point where, you know, it's gonna kind of make some sense. So that's where I'm headed. Wish me luck, and let's see what kind of numbers we end up getting. Traffic, bro. Always traffic. This is what it's like living in New York, Jersey. Here we are. Top secret. Can't tell you where it is because it's a secret. Get it? Ha! Gay! Nah. Jersey, bro. Brick City right here. Let's get this done. Alright guys, so some way, somehow, we ended up on dyno. And you know, should have been at the track, but I mean, I'll settle for this right now. So at least there is a goal that I have in mind. It does involve 4 digits. Hopefully, anyway. With a relatively small turbo. You're basically just gonna, you know, add one of these. Make lots of noise, lots of that. And yeah. Let's see. Maybe I'll fulfill a little bucket list. Hopefully today will be worth it. That's the plan. I've already ran over my battery charger. Almost forgot my fuel at the house. Drama. Lots of little drama in one day, believe it or not. But hoping for the best.
Strappy, make daddy happy.
First pull was 739 off the wastegate. About 22, 23 pounds of boost. Not bad. So far we're at 887, 492 torque, and still trying to sort out this boost control. The wastegate is kind of opening on me, but it's getting there for sure. So almost there. Not too bad. Not too bad. We got another literally 100 horsepower to go. But I want it to give me what it wants, you know, at the end of the day. So let's see what we can accomplish here. So of course, here we at. It's officially winter teardown mode. It's time to get this thing out of here. And obviously it's crazy because literally the last pass from the dyno is where I'm pretty sure the flywheel bolts loosened up and We already know how that goes. It's happened to me before. The face of the crank gets like rattled, so usually it's like there's no saving it, even with the crank, with the flywheel being doweled. But I think I know why they're loosening. That's a whole other video within itself. But when I get the new flywheel, I'll have clutch masters make it a certain way where the holes are not elongated, which is meant to be used for 2 different flywheels. So long story. Anyway, time for this thing to go. I already got the turbo ready to come out. Next step, engine out. Luckily, thanks to FAP Auto, I'm at least able to use this like beautiful facility to facilitate all of this. So the plan is basically get this out, get everything to my house, and basically tear the motor apart, check and see how that was doing, get ready for spring. You know, there's not really a ton of work to be done. I actually already have another crank. All the machine work's already done to that. A whole full other rotating assembly that was meant for my spare block, which still is, but I'll probably just swap cranks, get the new flywheel. I have to probably get another crank, and yeah, we'll go from there. So, so far so good. I can't complain. I mean, listen, it was a great year. I mean, this is what happens with racing. There's always something that's gonna take place, and not exactly how I wanted to end the season, because I had such a great season with no problems and no mechanical failures, but I mean, what can we do, you know? So one step at a time. Anyway, let me get to work. It's already about to be 2 o'clock in the morning. I'd like to have this motor out, everything out and disassembled within like the next hour. So let's go. This will thank God at once. Yes. Alright, so here we are, a little over an hour, maybe 2, actually like 2 hours in. I'm kind of moving at snail pace because there are like multiple things that were added this past year that I kind of wanted to see what steps I was going to take to get them out first. What was going to kind of stay, like the coils are going to stay, catch can's going to stay. I'm trying to see what portions of this dry sump I'm going to always usually keep in the car without having to drop when I do like a quick engine swap or whatever. So so far so good. I'm pretty much just gonna take off the shifter cables, dump the axles, figure out what I'm gonna do with the dry sump, if I'm gonna leave the pump in there or not, just disconnect that one fuel line, and that's pretty much it. I mean, it can come out, you know, so, but it's kind of, I just want to do it in stages and not rush, only because I really want to see, you know, what can stay, so that I can have my game plan. So if I'm at the track, something breaks, whatever, I know, okay, this can stay, that can stay, that can stay. So, yeah. And that's it. Kind of love laying everything out like this. It's like just one huge puzzle piece when you think about it. But now I put the wheels on this. I'll be very thankful because this thing just absolutely does not like to turn. Ever since putting in this welded diff, which is basically a spool, like pushing a car by yourself is an absolute nightmare. You know, it sucks. So it's like, you know, when there's no diff in the car, no, obviously no engine, no transmission, you can just whoop, 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 turn. I kind of miss that. It's the old days. Anyway, this is gonna sit obviously for most of the winter. I gotta get this engine back together. We'll pull the parts, see what's going on. I am gonna pull the transmission off right now and see what's going on with the flywheel, because I am curious. But yeah, a long prep for 24 ahead. And just as I suspected, bolts are loose. Now, even with the dowel, which you can kind of barely see, it's there. Crank didn't actually come out. I mean, it didn't get to move like it did last time, but the bolts came out and started smacking this disc. So that's never a good thing. I guess let's see if I can get this crank off and see what that looks like real quick. And of course, my suspicions. Another ruined crank. Definitely not as bad as last time, because last time I had to like literally beat the flywheel off, but you know, not bad. I mean, it is what it is. What can we do? At least the motor's in one piece.